So that was one aspect, and I think the other aspect I wanted to discuss is like what's the very critical idea when you build like a classifier using CNNs. We'll spend some time there, but before that, we have, I think, how you can introduce nonlinearities. I think we have covered this aspect, and we know that we need activation functions after every layer. And if you don't do that, it doesn't matter you have 10 layers or 1,000 layers, it will all just compress to a single function. Okay, so that will be equivalent to having a single layer. And that's why we need these nonlinear activation functions in between. And so for example, like the sigmoid activation function is very popular, which can be used. What it does is it flattens your or normalizes your values between 0 and 1. Okay, and because this function is nonlinear, then the transformation is nonlinear. And if you do that like after every layer, then that's actually making the network capable of learning complex and complex functions with minimal number of parameters.